Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain about TPMS and WIndek air compressor for car and bike tires. So first I will show you the sensors for TPMS. TPMS is tire pressure monitoring system, which will send the radio signals from the tire to onboard computer, that is in display, which we can attach to 12-volt adapter. So this is WIndek air compressor and my puncture kit. So in that I am having the puncture tools for tubeless tires, and this is the spanner which I am going to use to remove the sensor from the tire. To shorten the video, I have fast forward the most of the scenes. So this is the compressor which is having the 12-volt adapter with the sufficient length of cable. This is the tube for connecting this into a tire. So I am attaching to a 12-volt holder in my car on the rear side, and one more 12-volt point is there in the front also. So I'm connecting to the tire first. So after connecting, it will show the actual pressure inside the tire. So you have to set the point first. So I'm going to set a 36 psi.
Set it to
So after setting,
36.
and it will the on indication. So after that, you have to push on that button. So after reaching the desired pressure, it will auto cut off. So yes. So now it got off automatically, and you have to switch off this button to avoid the restart. Okay, next wheel I'm showing you. This is showing 32.5 psi. So 36 is the set point.
Stop.
Started now.
So it got off.
So it got off. So you have switched off the button. So this is the 8-in-1 tool I'm having in my car. By that I'm comparing the pressure between this WIndek compressor and the tool. The 8-in-1 tool contains a lot of features for having the seat belt, braking glass, tire pressure monitoring, and tire depth meter monitor. It will give you. It is having one LED light. So 8 features are available. That is very useful product. So now we will check the pressure with that tool, 8-in-1 tool. It is showing 36.5. So almost matching. I will go for the fourth wheel. It is front left wheel. So now it is showing the actual pressure of 30.5. Set point is 36. The pressure reached. So in this particular model of WIndek compressor, we can remove that pressure gauge from the compressor. So by using that, we will check the pressure on the tire now. After removing it, so it is showing 35 now. So while attaching and removing the tube, some pressure loss will be there. So you have to keep 0.5 extra. So it is also showing the 35 psi. So we'll fix it again and we'll go for a Stepney, this spare tire. It is having 28.5 psi now. So we'll start the compressor now. So 36.5 it is showing. So now we will fix the sensors. So first we have to put the nut into that air mouth. So after that we have to put the sensors. So this sensor is for front right tire. Marking is there in the sensor. So we have to fix it correctly. So after tightening this sensor, we have to tight with the nut by using the spanner. So in the anti-clockwise direction, we have to rotate it. So it will be tight now. So the inside panel is showing the display for the front right tire. So other tires are not having a sensor. So it is showing the 0. So so we are fixing the sensors for other tires also, and it will display the pressure, temperature of the car tire, and the voltage of the car battery. Okay, these are the three parameters you will get from this monitor. Okay, whenever the pressure rises due to the temperature rise during the ride, it will show clearly. So by that, what is the pressure in the car tire, you can easily know that. So if any puncture happens to your car, any leakage of air, so it will indicate you the exact tire pressure. Okay. So now it is displaying the three car tire pressures. So we have to ride the vehicle more than 20 kilometers to get the accurate value on this one. So now it is showing all the values of pressure, temperature, and voltage of the car battery. So high pressure alarm, low pressure alarms are available. So it will give you the audio alarms. So by that you can immediately notify that pressure variation in your tire. So now everything's fixed. Now it is showing the all tire pressures along with the temperature. Okay, I will update the next video.
So that's it for this
Thank you
video.
for watching.